such a weird look. Welcome. Welcome is another brew video vlog, if you will, the popular name for these things. This is part 2 of our San Diego beer trip. If you haven't seen part 1, check it out. Today we're going to hit some other breweries. There's 206 breweries in San Diego. I think we hit 5 yesterday on the video. Today we're going to North Park area. There's like, I don't know, 15 within like a 5-block radius there. And the first one we're going to go to is a pretty popular one. And yeah, let the journey begin. Let's go. We're in the hotel room. We're just checked out. By the way, we're in Gaslamp District. I don't recommend staying here if you hate clubbing. If you love clubbing, then you will absolutely freaking love it. We need to find a cool pool place, so yesterday I played pool for a little bit. But other than that...
We got home and went to bed early.
Yeah, we went to like 10:30. But all right, let's go. Let's hit it. Let's go. Okay.
Are you going to tell them where we're at? Just going right into it. Right into it, guys. He's thirsty.
Modern Times in North Park. They have like 5 locations. A small up-and-coming home brewer did their test batches when they first were starting out. You know, he might be big someday. And yeah, Modern Times. They are one of the biggest breweries probably now in Southern California, I'd say. They're opening up another place in San Diego. There's one in downtown. I mean, in Santa Barbara. There's one in downtown LA. It's like Blonde Stout with Green Cheek collaboration. Green Cheek's one of our favorite breweries too in the Southern California area.
That's really good.
It's really good. Like, yeah, it's really good. It's really smooth. That was the unbiased opinion. As a IPA with Galaxy, and it is amazing. Called Max as an IPA. There's a hazy called Gin Speaker. They're known for their IPAs, and they make great sours as well. But yeah, I mean, we just want to check out this location because we haven't been here yet. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, as I said earlier, there's like 15 breweries in the strip that we're in, seemingly, when we look on Yelp. We have no idea where we're going next, but we'll see you at that one, wherever that is. As you saw on the outside, we're at Mike Hess. They have like 4 locations. I might be making that up. It could be 2.
4?
It could be 2. I think they have 2 for sure.
Wow.
Little IPA and Dynamic IPA. Now, we're not doing this justice at all to just do 2 tastings. We'll probably get a 3rd. We're just trying to pace ourselves.
I'll go.
Okay. The brewery looks like the spaceship from the Enterprise, the newest Star Treks. All right, we got a Kolsch. Well, she got a Kolsch and Imperial Stout. I just had a sip of the Imperial Stout, and it's actually very good.
It's a thin mint.
It's one of the best stouts of the trip, I think, honestly. It's very, very good. Very creamy, well-balanced. The roast level's great.
Oh, that's delicious.
It has like a wine-like character to it. It's lovely. So
that's a really good stout.
It's really good. I've been told that Kolsch's are hard to make. So let's try it. Tastes like a Kolsch.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Just totally crushable.
Yeah, totally crushable. A nice crispness to it. Nice. You can taste the grain in it. Good hot balance. Good fermentation. Very well made. So let's continue the journey. What was that? Why was I doing a sword hand? That's what we're looking at. We don't know where to go. We're right next to one called Belching Beaver, which I have heard before.
I feel like I see their peanut butter stout.
Is that what they do?
On tap places.
Okay. There's Barn Brewery. There's one called the Home Brewer, which you might pop into because there's a homebrew store attached to it, but they also sell beer, it looks like. I don't know. And Pariah. There's also a gastropub that's for food, though. So there's 4 actual breweries within this little tiny radius we're in. Let's do Belching Beaver. you know, I don't know. Let's just do it. We're here right next to it. And if we hit any others, it'll just be a very quick sampling. I just, A, want to be responsible, and B, don't want to die. So, Belgian Beaver it is. Okay, I got 2 IPAs, and I said choose whatever you want. And he chose another IPA with mango and a quick sour with raspberries and guava. Soul Skater, I think it's called. That's a quick sour. There's the zombie Citra Mosaic that has a classics in it. Where's the Mosaic Brewing? That one's off a little. It's a collab with Coronado Brewing. Called 10 Secrets. And it's very good. It's one of the better IPAs I think we've had since being here, to be honest. It's straight great.
That's my favorite IPA of the trip.
Straight great West Coast IPA. And this is a mango IPA, which is really good too, actually.
It's mango-y.
It's good.
But it's not like too mango-y.
No, it's a good balance.
You have to be in the mood.
So let's see where we go next. It's very close by, wherever it is. So what's your favorite part of San Diego?
Definitely clubbing last night.
Gaslamp is very clubby. North Park, where we're in, is a bit more gringy. By gringy, I mean like
Grungy?
hipstery. Yes, same.
Gringy?
I just made something up.
All right.
It's a new word.
It's very gringy.
But San Diego's rad, though. It's really fun. We've been down here a few times. We saw a Dodger game when Padres played, what, 5 years ago?
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun. But we're going to come back down here more often because it's so close. And why not, right? But we're walking, and we just hit the brewery we weren't intending to go to. And we might go in. Oh, they're next to each other. Epic and Pariah. There's also a kombucha bar here, too. So there's literally 3 breweries. One's a kombucha, and then 2 breweries. Kombucha, breweries. Buoyancy Control IPA and Vienna Lager. Vienna Lager is very good.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really good. IPA. I'm gonna bring brutally honest on this, on these vlogs. I'm on a channel. I'm gonna continue doing it, and the inside of me says, "Oh, just be polite and be nice about it," but I can't.
Is it bad?
It's not bad. It's just it's off. I think it has a little off flavor to it. Like, it's not the asshole, but it's like a chemically, like, I don't know. It's not clean, you know. It's not that crisp, clean, hoppy bite to it.
That one won't.
This Vienna Lager, though, however,
Delicious.
is very delicious. So, yeah, let's keep it going. We're doing this. Now we're down to 2 tastings. Well, we're going. We're having a good time. We're going to our last stop. We're calling it after this for beer, for breweries. We're going to a home brewer. I think it's a homebrew shop, but they have beer on tap. I don't know how it works fully. It's okay. It's good. Release it out a little. So let's check it out. Let's see what this place is about. We only got 2. They had a ton of stuff on there. A Pilsner. They had a smash Pilsner, single malt, single hop. And, but we went, I said, you know what, this time you choose whatever you want. Before I say that, they were a homebrew store, then it turned into a brewery, 7 Barrel.
So cool.
It was really cool. So this is a Doppelbock with coffee. Modern Times coffee. Okay. And then she's like, I like this black IPA. And I was like, great, let's do it. Which I haven't had black IPA in a long time. very
That's
good.
delicious.
I've had black IPAs that are very soapy. I made black IPAs that are soapy in taste. That is not soapy in taste. I don't know how they got that so...
Oh, that's really pretty and
Really?
clean. Mm.
So I think what we're going to do is we're just going to suck it up because this is the last stop and get 1 or 2 more tasters. And just grow a pair and get it done. And then walk around for a very long time. So let's cut to the next tasters we're getting. We did it. Pilsner, Mandarin, and Bavaria is the hop in the Pilsner, single hop. And this is an IPA. I didn't see the hops on it. I think people who love malt-based IPAs, and when I say malt-based, I'm not saying sweet, I'm saying like it has a good grain flavor to it.
Oh, that's delicious.
Bready, but really nicely balanced actually. It's really nice.
It reminds me of Just Outstanding by Kern Record.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, very lovely, very, very, very well made. This Pilsner I'm very excited to try. It's more citrusy than a Pilsner would be for the classic style of a Pilsner, but that is a great lager. A little fruity, a little citrusy. Okay, I think we're about done here in San Diego. This is about. I think we've hit the end. San Diego has not been conquered because there's so much more we haven't seen. We did the best we could, but we had a great time. How many breweries do we hit? 10?
I don't think we hit
Somewhere in that range. So only 190 more to go.
We're close, guys. We're close.
We're making a dent. For those who live here, please comment below and let us know where to go next time. We would love to hit a lot more. We have so much more to see. Yeah, get out there, do your thing, enjoy life, and explore. That's what this is about. This is why we come do these things. It's not for the channel. It's because we like to get out there and live it. We did have a talk about this at dinner, and it was like we just had this great bonding moment of why we do these things. And it's not about the food, it's not about the beer, it's just about life and just exploring and seeing everything and having that great life. I don't know. I don't know.
That connection with life.
Yeah, exactly. So that being said, see you at the next exploration for whatever that is.